I think we don't have as much red tape.
Right.
If they need something next week, sometimes even a flyer needs to go through a 1-month approval process, which is a nightmare. And I'm just like, let me just make a flyer on my phone and post it right now and let's go. So I think it's finding out these loopholes, like who can do it easier? Where is that least painful? And I'm gonna buy the snacks today and you can pay me 2 months from now. I could carry that. So again, that makes life a lot easier.
Yeah.
I like to add that exact sentiment. We come in as the nonprofit, we're able to buy the snacks, do an event, do the marketing for Arroyo High School, for example, or whatnot. We can do that for our site, and then the school district pays us. It takes maybe 2-3 months before we get that money, but it does take that.
Oh, I know.
Sorry. And because of that, we're able to make an impact right away and bring the community to our site. And that's what I see sometimes lacking, is we now understand how the school district works, what it takes for them to get things through. We can do it right away, and we can also do the planning right away and go to day one and other nonprofits and bring them to our site when we have a bigger event, and therefore we make a bigger impact in the community. I think it's really important that school districts do work with the community-based organization and bring the entire community together. It's that simple.
And also those of you who work with her. One, the living fence looked really cool. We were just talking about, it's in the school districts I work with, the kids get Uber Eats and they pass it through the fence. And God knows what else they're passing through the fence, so I like it. It's bringing a plant in the way. I wanted to know about, like maintenance of that. How do you work with the school maintenance for them to be okay with all that garden stuff that you're doing in the long run?
That is a really good question. What we did over at Arroyo High School is that, Liz is my colleague, that we are taking over some of the maintenance and we are giving them the okay that we would like to stay there infinitely. So that we will be the fundraising element also behind that we will get monies through our organization that will help with the maintenance of this garden. This is a huge part. This needs more than just the school maintenance because they don't have time anymore for this. So it is us as an organization who comes in and will take care of this garden next to what they're doing already. So we have to look for funding for that consistently.
Can I ask a second question?
Yes, sure.
So you mentioned that you're going to grow a lot of food to be served in school meals. I wanted to know in terms of like food safety and making sure that it complies with all the county and the state regulations. How do you make sure that they're allowed to serve those locally grown fresh fruits and vegetables, fresh produce on campus that still comply with all the regulations?
That hasn't not quite worked out yet. We have with the LA County, we have the ag certification. So we will be automatically certified by the agriculture department, which is also right outside of El Monte. And they come by your place roughly every quarterly, seasonally and quarterly. And how the food that we're growing is then going to go into the district, that will be a Susie question.
Which hasn't worked out.
Yeah. So,
to be involved.
yeah. So we're building the infrastructure. This thing is a 3-year plan between the urban farming area, Monte Union High School District. We're looking at the CTE pathway, and how do we implement that into their school program, and make that a marriage essentially. And again, it's about the kids and giving the kids more tools when they get out of school. So they, you know, the ones who are not going to college, that they have a soft pillow to fall on and know what they could do better possibly, you know. And by the way, the Eco Lab is going to be so awesome for little kids.
That's what I was going to ask you a question, because our school district is in El Monte, and I'm thinking we're K through 8. When are you going to have field trips so we can bring our students to Aurora High School?
We have every 2 weeks, we have volunteer days on Saturdays, and when you make an appointment with us, Liz will be at the garden and will welcome you, and you can come in with the kids.
Is it open for tours now or not yet?
It is. Sometimes we just need to be specific, okay, by the principal. If the principal knows who is coming to the site, then it's okay. But it has to be approved. The arts program is connected to the CTE pathway already, so they imagine you have a garden on your site and you are now growing herbs and vegetables that kids have never seen, and then you're able to take that to your school culinary arts kitchen, and the chef can cook with those vegetables, can make a healthy meal out of it. That is what we're trying, what we're doing, and we're changing the culture of the community because of that. That is